got a good wheelie. He got a good little old wheelie. He pops second as soon as he come down. What's up, Johnny White? Not much. Just looking around. How you doing this week? What's for sale? Go on, let him know what's for sale this week. He get on. He puts some shit on the market every week, man. He getting broker and broker, y'all. So shit, let's go on. Cap. He won't buy nothing.
He high there.
Yeah, yeah, he do be high. The time, he finally caught up with time. Yeah, he.
Look, Queen, we used to be on that flying low hands on him. Johnny White, 7 something. He wait 10 years later.
10 years. He still got the same price. Nothing I can do about that part. Like the way that thing. Oh, you should show this time. God, now I don't think he wanted nobody to see that. 494 at 131. I don't think he won. He ain't been showing it all night. 494. I'm glad he got out of it. Man, I need to see what's for sale, y'all. Okay, here come do something, dude. What the hell Bojangles talking about? What you want me to do now?
How much?
On what?
Say you like select?
Nah, not on this.
That what you told me?
Nah.
Oh, yeah.
Not on this race. No. I think he's gonna lose. His car. Oh yeah. Keys got that juice working. Hey y'all, we about to get ready. We at out there at the Dragway. We got Slack versus Keezy coming up, y'all. It's about to go down. Whoa, wait a minute. Sir Mix-a-Lot just dropped 51 bits. Look out! What I'm talking about, man. It's adding up, y'all. 51 bits in this bit. Who y'all like right here, y'all? Here you go. Grudge race. Y'all looking for a grudge race. Here we go. white lane for the win, y'all.
With the gap.
With a gap.
With the gap.
Man, we gonna convert slack to a LS motor, man. Or slack just need to go on, start cheating, put him some slicks on his rims, and then he should be able to whoop anybody. But he trying to do it the hard way, boy. It's hard. It's hard. Oh, snap, Merc Raider. Appreciate the 20 bits, man. I be missing people. You know I ain't got no ring-a-ling. I need a ring-a-ling-ling. My ring-a-ling broke. My ring-a-ling broke, y'all. I gotta just look up there. Dub Dizzle with a follow. Let me see some. I sure appreciate y'all following, man. I'm gonna do more lives, and you know, I worked myself all the way up to 12,000 subscribers on YouTube before I just said, man, I ain't gonna never get up there like these other people do. I thought I'd be caught some viral within 3 years. They make it seem like I gotta go viral. I'm gonna have to catch somebody die. God damn, what the fuck y'all wanna see? I ain't put nothing amazing enough on YouTube